Hey guys, Sherry Renee here from ifyougivagirlagrill.com, and today I have a super easy, healthy, and delicious fall dinner recipe. Let me show you how to make it. So while the griddle's warming up, we're going to prep some ingredients, starting with a large sweet potato. I like to leave the skin on for my sweet potatoes, and I'm just going to dice them into about inch-sized pieces. So basically, I haven't really decided what I'm going to call this dish. It is going to be sweet potatoes, apples, and some chicken sausage. And I'm making a maple mustard sauce to go on top. We just have some pure maple syrup and Dijon mustard. Just going to give this a whisk. And you guys can get this full recipe at ifyougivagirlagrill.com. We're going to add a little bit of water and a melting dome. And while the sweet potatoes are doing their thing, we're going to dice up a Honeycrisp apple. And then we'll remove the dome a few times from the sweet potatoes just to mix them up a little bit. And add a little bit more water before you cover it again. I'm just going to try to dice the red onion, or purple onion, as some people call it, into about the same size as the apples and the sweet potatoes, about inch-sized pieces. They won't all be the same, but that's fine. We're going to add our red onion to this side of the griddle. Pound of chicken sausage. So we are done with the melting dome for the sweet potatoes. We're going to go ahead and add the chicken sausage and the apple. And then we're just going to mix this together on the griddle for about 5 to 6 minutes. I think I was so excited about the dinner that I forgot to tell you guys to add some fresh thyme to the sauce and as garnish over top. And then the best way to get the thyme leaves off the stem is just pull back and they all come off. Love the smell of fresh thyme. I love when I get the seasoning on point. We're going to go ahead and add that maple mustard sauce with the fresh thyme. It's going to caramelize on the griddle and bring so much flavor. Get the sausage, the apple, the sweet potato, and the onion for that magical bite. And I've learned my lesson. I'm going to let it cool. Right? So good. All the flavors of fall. You guys have got to make this.